plunder, malversation, bribery, graft and corruption, betrayal of public trust, and gross violation of the Constitution be upheld against Vice President Sara Duterte. And she at least be called upon to account, one, on hundreds of millions of confidential funds that she plundered. And if she fails to do so, she should no less than be found criminally liable for it. Ito ay ating ginagawa upang ipakita na ang accountability ay nangyayari at hindi kami matitinag sa pagharap o pagsusuri sapagkat ang confidential funds ay public funds. Ito ay dapat suriin kung ito ay ginamit sa tamang pamamaraan.